Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Nobody's Tarikul. So right now I'm at my home, and you know that I'm passionate about making video as well as learning English. So for this reason I have come with a new video just for my audience, just for you. So in this video I'm going to give you some challenging thing so that you can make your conversation, so that you can all get your fluency within a very short time. So that's the thing, and if you want to get your fluency within a very short time, you have to do so many things, like one bet you have to tell, one bet you have to tell, you have to get a challenge, take a challenge, and that just you have to say one but so many time, and in this way you can get your fluency within a very short time. So right now for this in this video I'm going to give you some tips and tricks so that you can get, or you can say take a challenge for getting your fluency, and also for learning English. So let's go to the main topic without delay. So first of all, we know that tense is valuable in learning English or speaking English, as well as its effect on our academic journey. And besides our next academic journey, if you want to get, or if you want to make your sentence comfortable, correct, you have to learn tense, and as well as so many grammar are available in our book or book. So for this reason we have to just go by this way, actually, how to we make our conversation more comfortable, and how to make our English correct. So first of all you have to take a challenge that in this way, actually, like present indefinite tense, subject plus verb one, otherwise nothing, right? Subject in this art, whatever we are saying, this is a shirt, this is a t-shirt, as well as this is a chair. So this type of thing, actually, we can take as a subject. Okay, so and also there are so many barber available included in our book, and if you wanna look on, book or the social media, you can get easily so many barb, and this is actually subject. After subject we can use barb based from our verb. Okay, so present indefinite tense, I'm just talking just about one tense, present indefinite tense, and afterwards, after telling you, you can you will understand easily. So like present indefinite tense, like subject, like I have taken just like I. Okay, and verb go. So I go, that means I go, amijai. And if you wanna make this structure negative, you can just use don't. Like, I go, আমি যাই. I don't go, আমি যাই না. And there are four modules. Uh, there are four modules. By these modules, you can get your fluency, as well as you have to practice day by day or lots of time. So right now I'm showing you, like I go, আমি যাই, I don't go, আমি যাই না. And the third module is just you can take a do. First of all, you have to take a do, and afterwards, like do I go, আমি কি যাই. So in our conversation, when we make our conversation in another people, or when we ask some guy that, and also we are we are used to talking, we are used to asking them a question. So for this question you can take a do. That means three modules, like do I go, আমি কি যাই, don't I go, আমি কি যাই না. And there are actually 6 modules, like why do I go, আমি কেন যাই, why don't I go, আমি কেন যাই না. In this way you can practice a lot of time English with Bangla, because we know that we are beginner. So for the beginner, we can practice English to Bangla, and when we will complete our beginner level, and we can, if you want, you can practice English to English. So right now I'm just showing you how you can practice I go আমি যাই, I don't go আমি যাই না, do I go আমি কি যাই, don't I go আমি কি যাই না, I go আমি যাই, I go আমি যাই, I don't go আমি যাই না, do I go আমি কি যাই, do I go আমি কি, do I go আমি কি যাই, don't I go আমি কি যাই না, I go আমি যাই, I don't go আমি যাই না, do I go আমি কি যাই, don't I go আমি কি যাই না. In this way you have to practice lots of time, and in a breath you have to just you have to take a challenge, that you have to take a challenge, and you will be able to say in one breath 10 times or as you wish. Okay, so in this way you have to practice, and I think within a very short time you will get your friends, you will get your friends, and you have to make a conversation with another people. So that's the thing actually. I don't want to make it longer because right now it's going to be more than 6 minutes. So that's all about. Stay happy, stay well, and stay connected with Torico's English Hut. If you wanna if you wanna take more video, useful video, you can subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, you can like. And also, if you need or needs help, or if you want to understand, if you want to know about any kinds of thing, you can leave me comment in the below. So that's all about. Assalamu alaikum.